Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 5th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm still having a little trouble with these 2016 dates. We had kind of a crazy day today, not a terrible day, certainly. I had predicted that the Dow would go up today. Technically it did go up and went up 10 points, but it wasn't anything like the action that I had anticipated. I thought it was really going to come off this bull spike down here and scream today. It did not scream at all. Basically, this was a sideways market today, and it had an additional little quirk that didn't help us here. It rallied right at the beginning here, and that ended up getting us in to a few positions, 6 positions total, 3 positive, 3 negative, but overall they were negative. I think negative almost $5,000 that we are carrying in open trade equity going into tomorrow. Nevertheless, the rally did help a little bit with our exits, and we did close out positive $7,000. So technically it was a winning day, but it was kind of nerve-wracking, and whenever I'm holding nearly $5,000 negative going into the next day, I don't have a real good feeling about the day, because those trades can get a lot worse, of course. But we're system traders. We got to do this. We're going to have all kinds of days like this, and you just kind of have to grit your teeth. But you know, you do kind of curse the system when you get these kinds of days that just don't seem to pan out. I'll show you just some of the kind of frustrating stuff I had to deal with today. I'll see if I can do this. Yeah, there we go. This is 3D Corporation, not 3D Corporation, 3D Systems, and this was our great trade yesterday, and it turned out less than great today. We bought this yesterday. It just screamed and screamed and screamed, but it pulled back quite a bit today. And when we ended up getting out there, we got about $3,000 profit. $3,000 is great, but it could have been a lot better. Hey, over 20 years ago, I designed a great system on a yellow legal pad and a calculator. I called this Trabos. This was the system that launched me over 20 years ago. And I always notice when Trabos has a great trade. If Trabos had been trading this stock today, it would have exited right up here, folks, and that would have netted over $6,000 rather than $3,000 we got out. By the way, I do include Trabos in my trading package that I sell. You get that, and I've programmed it so you can run it on TradeStation or multi-charts. Anyway, still a great system, no doubt about it. Show you another trade here. This was our worst trade today. This was an Agios Pharmaceuticals. We bought this sucker. We the sucker. We bought this near the top of the trading today, and it pulled back all day. We're holding about negative $2,000 in Agios Pharmaceuticals, but we did close out some good trades. To say we had over $7,000 in winning trades. This was one of the good ones. This is Lululemon Athletica. We had bought this on Thursday, right before Christmas, held it all weekend. Big gap up yesterday. That kept us in for an extra day, and we got out here, pretty nice exit here. We got out of there with $3,000 profit in Lululemon. And then I got to show you one more. This was the best trade in terms of our exits. This is Sun Edison. We had entered this yesterday, halfway through the day. Quite a bit of time had gone by, but it kept going very strongly, and then it gapped up this morning. Very nice. We got out of there. Can't beat that exit. That's almost at the top. We got out of there with $3,600 in closed out profits in SunEdison. So overall, winning day, but a little bit frustrating. All days are frustrating for us traders. I'm sorry, that's the way it goes. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.